Alright, it's dinner time, so you know what that means. Grill Daddy! Let's get this meat on some heat. Alright, while that cooks, we got a few minutes, so let's go ahead and check out the rest of this thing. The Grill Daddy tongs have a shield for your hands so they don't get hot, and the shield turns and locks the whole unit into place. Simply twist it, and there you go again. The top comes off like that, and you have a multitude of attachments. You can use those. You also have a baster. So, use your hand, the shield, based, not basting today, but pretty handy. Dishwasher safe. Another attachment that you have that I really like is the wide flipper. Okay, so if you need to flip over some fish, that's what it's designed for. And then onto the spatula, I like is it includes meat thermometer. Alright, so that's hidden in there nice and neat. So you have everything you need to make that food taste nice and yummy. Mmm.